They met sa singles retreat. Ayan. So talaga sinadya ni Nero na hindi magdala ng t-shirt na green kasi ka-teammate niya.
Bali, nangyari lahat yung sa MMRC. End of August hanggang September 1. Tapos bandang October, nagsabi na siya sa akin na intention. Na gusto niya daw mas mag-get to know kami. Tapos, simula na, syempre, mas naging intentional yung prayer ko. Tapos hanggang January ng 2020, yun na. Gusto ko lang makatulong. Sure naman. Oo, sure naman since 2020.
Mahal. Finally, nandito na tayo sa another chapter ng buhay natin. parang napakabilis ng 3 taon. From B-Mails at Green Shirt to every Saturday na fellowship sa Big Antipolo hanggang sa pag-amin ko sa'yo.
This is something that the Lord has given me even before I met you. I promise to be the wife that He wants me to be for you. I promise to submit 100%.
No, Nero is a blessed man to have found someone as intelligent, kind, beautiful as you. You bring out the best in him, okay? And make him a better person every day. Kaya nga maganda kanina, tuwan-tuwa ako, napapa-amen ako nung sinasabi mo magsasubmit ka.
Minsan umiyak naman si Nero sa akin. Sabi niya, Pasudan, ang tagal ko nang nagtatrabaho sa CCF Metro East, ang dami ko namang ginagawa, napalagay ko naman tama. Bakit palaging ganon? Pagka sa'yo, lagi na lang akong maye. So, ngayon, Nero, nung naging girlfriend mo si Maye, finally, nagkaroon ka rin ng tama sa buhay mo. Okay.
Under the stars, I see everything that led to where we are. And
Walang balikan.
Walang sulian.
I asked the couple bakit what is significant on this date. Maganda naman yung reason nila. Because it's 3-23-23. Yan, magandang pin number kapag meron kayong nagpadala ng GCash kila Nero and Maye. 3-23 and 23.
you got me dancing with no shoes tonight, out here in the street, taking chances like we're kids tonight, like we're 17. Every day that I'm with you, everyone can see, they can see that you bring out the best in me. We got it made. Feel the future up.
When your sibling is going to get married, you know they are making a good choice, but still want to be sure and meet them in person. And after we met Nero, he is such a nice man, and we're so really glad that they've gotten married today.
I'm giving in. You got me dancing with no shoes tonight, out here in the street, taking
I
chances.
hope that as we move forward sa forever, forever din ako maging humble and ma-mold into the woman who will be the best wife for you.
Pangako na sa kahit anong pagsubok, magkasama tayo, walang iwanan hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan. I love you so much.